Hello students, in chapter 8, welcome again students. Today we are going to our new topic and new chapter. It is application of integrations. Students, in the all formula I hope you know very well in the 7th chapter related integrations. Today I am going to area related to curve. Area related to curve and line in this chapter. So your first topic is a area bounded by a simple curve. Area bounded by a simple curve. Yes, simple curve. There are two methods. One of the, if y is equal to fx curve. Yes, if y is equal to fx curve, area bounded between x is equal to a and x is equal to b is integrations. Either you write down area is x is equal to a to x is equal to b, and here write down dx y. Dx indicate always related to x-axis, and this limit also always related to x-axis, and y is your curve. And second case, if now x is equal to fy curve, same area bounded between y is equal to a and y is equal to b is your area now bounded between on the y-axis. So y is equal to a, y is equal to b, here dy. This graph is going on the y-axis related, and here x. So students, here two topic only and very short topic. Area bounded between the curve for x-axis related, and this is a y-axis related. Now students, I continue our first example 1. It's very easy numerical, and chapter is also students very easy. Find area bounded by the curve with the axis x square plus y square is equal to a square with the axis. So very easy. It is a what? Yes, it is a circle. And what is circle area? Pi r square. Here radius a, so pi a square. But I derived by utilization or integrations. So very easy students. I first of all made x and y. Putting your x 0, y is plus or minus a. Y 0, then x is plus or minus a. So your drawing is ready. This is your circle having center 0 0 and radius a 0, 0a, minus a 0 and 0 minus a. This your radius. Up to that I want to full area bounded by the curve with the axis. So I first explain only this first quadrant, and that I telling first area A1 in magnitude, and after find out A1 I multiply all four, they get the area. Yes, I only explain about that first case. And between which axis? X-axis if you taking, yes, this is your x-axis, that's your y-axis. X-axis taking 0 to a, and formula utilization this dx means x-axis bounded. Dy also correct. You taking dy, it means this limit taking y limit 0 to a, same as. So I explain about that first wise. So in given curve, what's your curve? X square plus y square a square. So y square become a square minus x square. Y become under root a square minus x square. And that curve I utilization the bounded between x is equal to a, x is equal to b, that 0 to a. So area bounded by the curve y is equal to a square minus x square between what? X is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. So does this your curve, that one, y is equal to under root a square minus x square. It means I find out only this bounded and this curve. That's I put it in integrations a1 0 to a y dx and 0 to a, what's your y? Under root a square minus x square dx. Now this formula you know very well. Yes, that's your integrations formula. And easily students, you can start your integrations. Limit putting the get the area of a1. Very easy. So your a1 area is that x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. A limit is totally 0 to a as it is. Now apply upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit is your a by 2 a square minus a square, same a square by 2 sine inverse a by a, and 0 putting then completely 0. This also 0, here 1, and when it is 1, pi by 2. So you get pi a square by 4. That's your a1. This area coming to a1. But I want to full area to bounded with the axis. So I go to into 4 times. So required area is a. Finally, it is 4 times of a1. 4 times of pi square by 4. Students, it is pi square units. That the area of our circle. Formula you know, you already studied in the 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard up to 11th standard. Pi r square, it is pi a square. Actually coming from here, it is your, yes, area related circle. Now second I going ahead students. Example number 2. Yes, it is your ellipse. So very easy start I. Find the area bounded by the curve x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 with their axis. Same applications. But here this time now students ellipse given. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. First of all, I plot the table. Systematically going, don't worry. X and y, put at x 0. Y is plus or minus b. But y 0, x is plus or minus a. And apply on the ellipse drawing. This is your ellipse. That way. It is your y-axis. Here your x-axis. Correct? And point also known. That is a comma 0 minus a comma 0 0 comma b 0 comma minus b. Now here students, this is your center. You as you decided, you calculate this first quadrant, multiply by 4. Either first and 2 both quadrant taking and multiply by 2. In previous numerical also same pattern. If you taking half, after that double. Either here take this half and here double. They are same. And I taking on the x-axis related. So here I make the separation y. So y square by b square. A square minus x square by a square. So what is the y square? B square by a square. Y become b by a under root a square minus x square. That's your curve. This curve. Upper way. And I calculate between minus a to a. First and second quadrant. So area bounded by the curve. Yes, y is equal to b by under root a square minus x square between x is equal to a to x is equal to minus a. It means this and this I both cover. This a1 related minus a to a y dx. So minus a to a, what's your y? B by under root a square minus x square. B by a take separate, and minus a to a, can I write down 0 to a 2 times? It means this solution again coming here. Yes. So after that you just see here minus a to a, I want to in 2 shaping that. So a1 area 2 times b by a 0 to a and under root. Now you create your solutions by integrations. So 2b by a x by 2 under root a square by 2 sine inverse x by a limit as it is. So students, you have to 2b by a same, apply your a, definitely a by 2 0 plus a square by 2 sine inverse a by and 0 putting, then finally 0, it is 1. So you have to 2b by a square by 2 pi by 2. Finally 2b by a pi square by 4, this cancel with 2, this cancel with a, so pi ab by 2. That's your area for a1. It means only this one, but I want to full area bounded by with this axis. So I going here final required area a, which is 2 times of a1. So which is 2 times of pi ab by 2. It should be pi ab square units. And here students, this is your by heart for MCQ, because sometime in exam here MCQ asking in 1 mark. Yes, area of circle you known pi r square, area of ellipse by heart pi ab. And if you MCQ asking x square by 9, y square by 25, what's the area? Very easy, pi ab. A is 3 square root, b is 3 5 square root 15 5 square units. That's your very shortcutly you can operate your 15 pi square units. Now I continue, students, going ahead. Example 3. But now your topic is change, area bounded with curve and the line. Yes, area bounded between a curve and a line. This is also very easy topics. So one line given and one of the curve given. So I continue, students, my example, third one. Question is there. Example 3. Find area between curve y is equal to x square and second y is equal to 4. Yes, between only curve and line given. Very simple. First curve derived and second line. So students, I just plot my table x, y is equal to x square. If I taking x 0, then definitely y 0. If I taking, students, x plus or minus 1, then y also 1. If I taking x plus or minus 2, then y is 4, already given there. So my drawing is ready. Your parabolic curve, if I putting here 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3, 4, and approximately, yeah? But students, drawing necessary, you can draw first of all. So 0, 0 means here 1 putting, either -1 putting, 2 putting, then 4 here, -2 putting, then also 4 here, and you can draw just roughly figure this one. Now read, curve and y is equal to 4. It means this line is passing through y. It is here y is equal to 4 line, and I want to between that, it means this your area. First I define this A1, and then after make double this also A1. So first of all I only this calculate, but now this time we take 0 to y on y axis. So here dy taking, bounded by y axis I calculate 0 to 4 limits, and after that students easily I calculate my answer. So my solution, area bounded by the curve. What is curve? Y is equal to x square. So x is equal to root y between, yes, between, where between? y0 to y4, between y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 4. I only on the y axis taking, so it's here dy, y limit 0 to 4, and here x. Now after that calculation very short students, you can easily judge your answer, very simple. So x is what? Root y. So area A1 0 to 4 root y dy. So it create half plus 1 by half plus 1, a limit 0 to 4. So here students, here y raised to 3 by 2 and upon here 3 by 2, half plus 1. So your answer is 2 by 3, 4 is to 3 by 2 minus 0. That's how A1 calculate. It means this region. Yes. So here A1 is finally done. It is 2 square, 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. So 2 by 3. Here 2 raised to 3. It is 8. 2 cube is a 8 and 8 2 is a 16. 16 by 3, A1 coming. Now A1 done. But I want to area between line and curve. It means this full line. So this area is also you cover. That's why I make double. So required area is a double then A1. Double then 16 by 3 means 32 by 3. Square units. And here students, you are easily, your third examples easily done. Now students, after that I going ahead, one more example, 4. Yes, 4th is a very most IMP numerical. Example 4. So your tick mark in very most IMP. Area bounded by, find area bounded by curve x square plus y square is equal to 32. Line y is equal to x and x axis. Yes, question one more time check. X square plus y square 32. Line y is equal to x and x axis in first quadrant. In first quadrant. Yes. First of all, line and curve I want to common point, and it is a circle given. Definitely you take the radius. So students, first we find common points between curve and line. This y is equal to x, here put it. You get the x square plus x square is a 32. So students, 2x square 32, x square 16. So what is x? Plus or minus 4, and x plus or minus 4. So what is y? Again same. Yes, y is also plus or minus 4. That's your 2 value. Now you go to x4, y4 and common points. You go to drawing. Your circle is unit circle, no doubt. I directly plot there. 0, 0. Radius what? Root 32. Root 32 means students 4 root 2. 16 2s are double. Here minus 4 root 2. Same here 0, 4 root 2. Minus 4 root 2. And your line y is equal to x passes through on it. Exactly the middle of the center. This line is a y is equal to x. And here your 2 points create A and B. That become plus or minus 4, plus or minus 4. One of the 4, 4. Another of the minus 4, minus 4. And here students, you can start by this plotting point M 90 degree, which is exactly 4, 0. If you this also taking, then minus 4, 0. But I want to curve y is equal to x and on x-axis, means only this area I declare. One of this is called A1, and secondly this I point wise I plotting, that is called A2, and two area, both of the I separate calculate. First A1 calculate, second A2 calculate, and both plus, then I get final area in first quadrant. If you not given first quadrant, then this calculate, now take double. Yes, also take double, then get answer. Here only I define two area bounded between our first curve with the second A1, A2. So I start first A1. Area bounded by the line y is equal to x. Listen here students, this is your line and only this, not a curve included, and here curve included but line not included. Here only line included. Check that this is y is equal to x. So area bounded by line y is equal to x between what? Between x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 4, x equal to 0 to x is equal to 4 with x-axis. That's your A1 area. So 0 to 4 y dx. Now very easy, 0 to 4 x dx. Make integrate and solutions. So x square by 2, 0 to 4. So 4 square by 2 minus 0, 16 by 2, 8. That's the statement 1. This area is done. Now I take to A2, but only curve. This is your curve. And between what? 4 to 4 root 2. Between is I going to students now A2. So similarly I explain about that my another data. So continue. Area bounded by the curve y square is equal to 32 minus x square. Y become 32 minus x square. Between, where between x is equal to 4 to x is equal to 4 root 2 with x-axis. Yes students, with x-axis. I telling about that. Here this curve here, y is equal to under root 32 minus x square. This curve I explain about 4 to 4 root 2. So students, your A2 area is covered to 4 to 4 root 2 here y dx. So 4 to 4 root 2 y is under root 32 means 32 means students 4 root 2 minus x square. And this formula you known for your integrations, constant square minus variable square. Yes, sine inverse related. So x by 2 root a square by 2 sine inverse, and limit I put it after that 4 to 4 root 2 same. Students, here 32 minus x square same as I have a 4 root 2 and here x by 4 root 2. Now put it first upper limit, second that lower limit. This is the main step, students. 4 root 2 by 2. 32 minus 4 root 2 square 32. It is 0. Here students, 4 square 16 2s by 2, and sine inverse 4 root 2 by 4 root 2. This upper limit done, minus time coming to lower limit. 4 put it. Here 4 apply. So 4 by 2 under root 32 minus 16 plus 16 into 2 by 2 sine inverse. Students, 4 by 4 root 2. Very easy. So here students, it is 0, 18 cutting pi by 2 minus here 2 root 16 plus 16 sine inverse 1 by root 2, and that I know which is 45 degree. So students, here your 8 pi 2 into 4 16 pi by 4. 4 4s are 16. So 8 pi minus 8 minus 4 pi means 4 pi minus 8. That's your statement to area A2 cover. Now students, I want to A1 and A2 in the first quadrant between a line, curve and x-axis. So I finally required area is the A1 plus A2. What's your A1? A1 already known, 8. A2, 4 pi minus 8. So your answer is 4 pi square units. And here students, your this question is done easily, and easily method textbook wise. But in exam, this question also asking in shortcut. So students, I explain shortcutly in 1 mark. If you asking in shortcut, then MCQ way you calculate what is area of circle, you know pi r square, full circle area, r square known you 32, it means pi into 32. Now wait, I want only this. I just derive this degree theta. You know the y is equal to x. What is slope? dy by dx. Tan theta, theta 45 degree, this is the 45 degree. It means in the overall circle, theta is 360 degree divided by 45. It is the 8th part. Yes, 8 into 45. Here apply you 8th part, you get the answer shortcutly. 4 pi, check. This portion is a one of the pizza cutting, 4 pi. Yes. Because overall 360 degree cover to 45 degree, it means which part? 8 part of degree according to slopes. So I going to area of circle, pi r square full area by 8 part. Sometime here 30 degree, you can take here 30. It is 12 part. Answer is divided by 12 part. Yes students, here our question 4 is students happily done. And now students, this part I stop here, and further explanations related our next part. Students, I explain you in the next. Bye bye.